Alright, quick video of me unboxing the front fenders for the from AMD for this. Still working on that one. Like I said, it's going to be a shit fender for me to just cut a big 5-inch hole through it, and these ones are going to be the actual ones that stay on the car for whenever I go back to like a normal street car. So I'm going to do some patching work on here and inside, right up there in the corner, and then that's all I'm really going to do with that. Like even like this here is going to get like a bunch of filler because I just don't care. Because I got these guys. Alright, let's see here. See you guys up on top of the car here. There we go. Alright. I mean, it comes packaged okay, I guess. When the guy dropped it off, actually I wasn't home, and he called me up. He's like, "Hey, I'm at your house." I'm like, "Oh, you're not supposed to be here between this time and time." He's like, "Yeah, well, you know how that goes." So he did me a solid, looked at everything, it looked very decent. Alright, put it down, and next thing I'll have it out on the cart, and we'll give it a good look. Alright, first glance, looks really good. Nice heavy gauge metal. Not dented up. Nice. I mean, a lot better than that one. Sometimes I know I'm trying to save stuff with some reason, but I think I may have mentioned in another video at some point, like it's actually worth my time to buy it apart and be done with it. You see, my skill set's limited on how to fix things like that, but that's for a whole nother thing. There's some people out there who absolutely love trying to save every fender and every bit of the car. Me, it's just time versus money. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, it looks pretty decent. Let's do a quick time lapse, throw it on the car, see how it fits compared to the factory one, which I already know how it fits on there and what shims I had to use where. Like here is just I have other shims, but that's just a 3/16" washer, and it gets a 3/16" shim down at the bottom and up against the firewall on there. So let's see if it fits same as the factory one. Yeah, do a quick time lapse of that and see how it is. A little bit more to the car. Sitting here thinking like myself, I gotta test the hood, see if it actually fits very well with the new fenders and try to get everything just right. Been 20 years since I've actually had a line. 20 years? Yeah, it's been 20 years since I've lined up a second gen hood. Ex-girlfriend used to have a 79 Z28, and I did a bunch of work to it back in the day. Anyways, got the original hood back on. Gaps, pretty decent for just throwing it on there. I mean, it took a little finagling to remember how to go about doing it. Yeah, it's a pain, but it took me a good 20-25 minutes just to get lined up. It's a little thicker on this side for gap wise than this side. Yeah, it's about the same, about a 1/4 inch. I gotta look and see what the manual says, but that's about right if I remember right for how the gaps look on these cars. I'm sure I could get it tighter if I really wanted to, but for just throwing a beat up stock hood that's 52 years old with a very shitty grafted on fiberglass cowl, as you can see, don't do that. Just don't put Bondo over top of bare metal. Don't do it at all. So yeah, pretty decent throughout, and it's nice to have a stock hood too, because like I said, eventually I want to get the anvil carbon hood for this, and if I'm able to get all the stock stuff to fit decently, it tells me a couple things. One, I get that one to fit decently too. Second of all, remember, I had this whole car cut apart. I can get stuff lined up. That tells me I'm within like the realm of reality of actually doing body work on a car. So cool. Nice, getting there. Alright, guess that's gonna do it for this video. For the newcomers, thanks for coming along on this journey. For people who've been here for a while, thanks for coming along too and seeing this short little video. I know I didn't really go too crazy on like showing exactly what I needed to do to actually get the fenders to fit and the hood to fit. It wasn't just minor tweaking, making sure shit fit correctly. So cool, yeah. All right. Till next time. Thanks everybody. See you soon.